everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to sign up for a Groww account. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in groww.in and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official web page of Groww. From the main home page, click the login/register button located at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see the sign in page. To sign up for a new account, you can use your existing Google account or enter a valid email address. After you are done entering the email, click continue. You'll need to now enter the OTP that is sent on your email ID. Go ahead and open up your email that you just entered and make sure that you're inside the inbox page. Open up the email received from Groww and you'll be able to see the OTP. Copy the OTP and paste it into the enter OTP text box. After you are done, click submit. Now soon after you do that, you'll be asked to enter a password. Set a password for yourself in the text box that is at least 8 characters long and make sure that you use uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols in your password. Finally, click submit and in order to complete your account setup, go ahead and scan the code available in the display to download the Groww app, or you can also type in a mobile number in the text box to get an SMS to get the app link and click send link. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Groww. That is how you can easily sign up for a Groww account, quick and easy. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.